Hello, in this video we gonna create email account through cPanel. So first you have to type your URL, your domain URL, and you have to type /cPanel in the end of your domain URL. So you gonna have this login page on your screen, so you have to put your username and password there. So click login. You can see the dashboard of your cPanel, of your domain cPanel, and you can see this first section of emails. In the first section named email, you can see that a tool email accounts, so you have to click on that. If you're not seeing that tool on your first section, so you can also search on the search bar email accounts. So we have to open that tool. Now you can see the tool is opened, email accounts. You can see on the right side a create button, so you have to click on that. So you're gonna have this page. So first you have to type the username. So we're gonna type admin, and then you have to set your password. So we're gonna generate a automatic password there, and so you can click on create. So you can see the email has been created, admin@xyz.com. That's how you can create an email account through your cPanel. Hopefully your concepts has been clear. Thank you for watching the video.